Pero ang dami niyo pa rin linagay na pondo nung 2025. Kasi nga, why would we keep repeating making flood control projects if it just keeps being overwhelmed year in and year out? Hindi dahilan yan na overwhelmed na yan, sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Oh. This was November 4, 2024. November 4, 2024, galit na tayo sa flood control projects. Bago pa yan, kailan lang ba? 3 months lang ago, mga kabats natin. 3 months lang ago, galit si Bongbong Marcos sa flood control projects. Tayo dito sa batas natin, before November 4, 2024, galit na tayo sa flood control projects dahil ito ang dahilan nila kung bakit nababaha tayo, na overwhelm yung kanilang flood control projects. Oh. Ngayon sabihin nyo na si Bongbong Marcos ang sikat para imbestigahan yung flood control projects na yan. Sabi dito,
investigate flood, but the president says he has no problem with some lawmakers' proposals to investigate flood control projects.